Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you fix a Windows update issue with perform a clean boot in Windows 10 or 11. A clean boot restart starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs. It helping you determine if a third-party application is causing the update issue. That is what we are going to do. So watch the video and try to solve the problem. If you are successful with this instruction, kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. To do that, open the run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the run dialog box, we'll type msconfig and press enter. It will open system configuration window. In the system configuration window, go to the services tab. Here, check the box for hide all Microsoft services. Then click disable all. Next, go to the startup tab and click to open the task manager like this. In the task manager, disable each startup items individually like this. Once done, close the task manager and back to system configuration window. Here, click apply to save the changes and click OK. Then you need to restart your computer and try running the Windows update again. That's all.
I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.